Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by double tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen like this to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping left and right. Find the option called the settings, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. Here scroll through the menu and find the option called reset, and once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll through the menu, find the option called delete data and reset settings, tap on it, then tap on it like that, then tap on the screen, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the hello message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.